In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Triangle Mastercard. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and if you can see this notification up here, which says just received your new credit card, you can just click on activate your card over here, and it's going to open up where you can do this inside a new tab. However, if you can't find this over here, if it's not showing, you can still get there pretty easily. Click on the help button, then click on customer support, and inside customer support here, you want to click on see all credit card FAQs. And then down here at the bottom, inside these FAQs, when this loads up, you'll be able to see guides. So just click on guides here, and then here it's going to say how to activate your credit card if you don't know your PIN, or how to activate it if you do know your PIN. So of course, check the one you want, and then here it's going to take you to a step-by-step guide where you have to click on activate your card, and you basically will be redirected to the exact same page as we were on before. Now on here, you can basically sign in to activate or activate without logging in, which is completely up to you. I'm going to click on this one, and then here you want to select if you do know your PIN or if you don't know your PIN, and then click on continue, and it's going to basically prompt you to actually put in your card number and then the 3-digit security code you can find at this place over here. And then when you do that, on the second step, you'll have to verify your identity, and then the third step, you'll be able to create a 4-digit PIN if you don't already know it, okay? But if you do, then you won't be able to do that, and that's it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.